Hi again, bestie! So, isa na namang episode today ng walang judgment, just pure good vibes and real talk tayo. So, ano bang pag-uusapan natin today? Let's talk about healing. Wow, maraming makaka-relate dito ah. Let's be honest, healing looks different for everyone. Magkakaiba tayo ng healing process. Yung iba, ang bilis maka-move on, tapos may jowa na agad after a month. Or even weeks nga meron na eh. Pero no judgment. Kasi nga sabi ko nga, hindi tayo pare-pareho ng healing process. Minsan, okay ka na. Minsan, may maririnig ka lang na kanta. Then boom, naalala mo na naman siya. O kaya, meron ka makakasalubong na pareho sila ng pabango. Tapos, ayun, durog ka na naman. Pero gusto kong malaman mo, bestie, na you're not weak. You're not bitter. Tao ka lang din naman, 'di ba? Lahat naman tayo may pakiramdam. So, valid yung nararamdaman mo. Healing isn't a straight path. Minsan, 10 steps forward, minsan naman 3 steps backwards. But still, it's progress. So, bestie, wag mong masyadong madaliin yung sarili mo para mag-heal ka. Kasi minsan, social media make it seems like everyone has it figured out already. Pero hindi yun totoo. Sabi ko nga sa first episode ko, take your time and heal at your own pace. So, wag mong madaliin yung mga bagay-bagay. Pain demands to be felt. So, kailangan damdamin mo muna siya. And one day, magigising ka na lang and you'll realize na hindi mo na pala siya iniisip. Diba? Like, ang luwag na ng pakiramdam mo. And when that day comes, gusto kong malaman mo, bestie, na I'm proud of you. Pero promise me one thing. Wag na wag ka nang babalik sa taong nanakit at nandurog sa'yo, okay? You can never heal from the same environment that got you sick. That's it for today. So thank you for spending your healing minutes with me. Remember, healing slowly is still healing. I love you, bestie. Catch you next time. Bye.